Good morning, children. Today we are going to read worksheet 3 of your Roots workbook. Okay. First, which food is healthy? Circle the healthy one. Milk, ice cream, apple, samosa, carrot, fish. Children, healthy food: milk, apple, carrot, fish. Okay, so these are the healthy food of this amount. Now read the story here. One morning, Rohit's mother made some coconut laddus for guests. Those were Rohit's favorite. She gave one laddu to Rohit. She gave another one to Rohit's sister Nimi. So children, Rohit's mother made some laddus and she gave one to Rohit and one to Rohit's sister, and name of Rohit's sister is Nimi. Okay. She packed the other laddus in a jar and closed it. She kept the jar on the top shelf of the kitchen. Okay. Then she went to the market to buy vegetables. So children, then Rohit's mother packed the laddus and kept the jar on top of shelf and went to market. Okay. Rohit wanted to eat another laddu. He went to the kitchen. He climbed on a chair. He took the jar from the shelf. He opened the jar and ate a laddu. It was so tasty. Rohit wanted to eat one more. So he took another one and ate it. Then he ate another. Soon there were no laddus left. So children, you can see in this picture, Rohit wanted to eat another laddu. So he went to the kitchen and started eating laddus until there were no laddus left. Okay. So Rohit ate all the laddus. Rohit's mother returned from the market. She saw that the jar was empty. Where are the laddus? She asked Rohit. Rohit was afraid. He did not tell his mother the truth. I gave them to a hungry boy, he said. So children, when mother came and asked where the laddus, Rohit replied that he gave the laddus to a hungry boy. तो देखो बच्चों, ये जो स्टोरी यहाँ पे छोटा सा स्टोरी है, इसमें क्या बताया जा रहा है कि एक दिन रोहित के मम्मी कुछ कोकोनट लड्डूस बनाए थे। तो कौन से लड्डूस बनाए थे? कोकोनट लड्डूस। और उन्होंने वो लड्डूस गेस्ट्स के लिए बनाए थे। उनसे वो एक रोहित को दिए थे और एक रोहित की सिस्टर निमी को दिए थे। ठीक है। और बाकी वो पैक करके शेल्फ में रख के, किचन शेल्फ में रख के वो मार्केट चले गए थे। पर रोहित और लड्डू खाना चाहता था, इसलिए वो किचन में जाके वो जार निकाले और एक के बाद एक लड्डू खाते गए जब तक ना सब ख़त्म हो गया। ठीक है। और जब मम्मी रिटर्न की और पूछे कि लड्डू कहाँ है, तो रोहित ने क्या बताए? रोहित डर गए थे, इसलिए सच नहीं बोले। उसने बोले कि मैंने लड्डू एक हंगरी बॉय को दे दिए। तो बच्चों ये तो सच तो नहीं है, लड्डू कौन खाए थे? लड्डू रोहित खुद खाए थे, ठीक है। तो दिस इज शॉर्ट स्टोरी। नाउ मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पेज। What did Rohit's mother make? You know, children, Rohit's mother made coconut laddus. Okay? Rohit's mother made coconut laddus. Okay? She made them for Rohit, Nimi or guest? Guest. Okay? Where did Rohit's mother go? Rohit's mother went to the market. Okay, went to the market. Rohit's mother went to the market. Try to write it by yourself, children. Okay. Number 4. How did Rohit get the jar of laddus? Tick the correct sentence. He asked his mother to give the jar to him. He climbed up a chair to reach the jar. He asked his sister to help him. You know, children, second one is correct. He climbed up a chair to reach the jar. Okay. Now number 5. Put the sentences in the correct order. Write the numbers in the boxes. Children, here some sentences are given. Now you have to read the sentences first, then understand the order of the sentence. Which one comes first, which one second, in this way. And you have to write the order in the given boxes. Okay? बच्चों ये सेंटेंसेस पहले आप लोगों को पढ़ना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद आप लोगों को सोचना पड़ेगा कौन सा जो सेंटेंस है वो पहले होगा, फिर नेक्स्ट कौन सा होगा, ऐसे करके समझ के इस बॉक्स में उस सेंटेंस का नंबर लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट रीड द सेंटेंसेस। रोहित्स मदर गेव हिम अ लड्डू। द जार वॉज एम्प्टी। ही एट मेनी लड्डूज। ही एट अ लड्डू। Rohit climbed a chair. He took the jar and opened it. Rohit went to the kitchen. So children, first one, Rohit's mother gave him a laddu. This one. Okay. Next, Rohit went to the kitchen. Okay. Then Rohit climbed a chair. He took the jar and opened it. This is number 4. He ate a laddu. 5. He ate many laddus. 6. And the jar was empty. 7. Okay. So in this way, number these sentences in your book with pencil. Okay. So next day we will read another chapter. Thank you.